Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you saw my last video, you know that we are decorating for Christmas and getting into the Christmas spirit. We got our tree up, just the foyer tree for now. And I started decorating throughout the home, so I'll show you guys in this video some of the things that I did in the dining room and the living room as of right now. But my next focus, lunch is ready. My next focus right now is, I am creating a hot cocoa and cookie station right here on this little section of my kitchen because I usually just keep this counter space pretty bare. I'm not really sure what to do with it throughout the rest of the year. We have only been in the house for like 2 months, so I've had just like a plant there, and it's been like the catch-all for boxes and things like that right now. But as we're starting to unpack and decorate, I got this great idea for doing a whole hot cocoa and cookie theme. You know, I've seen them at parties and they have like stations, but I wanted something that we can keep up all season long since my son loves hot cocoa, and this could be something he could just come up here and grab. So yeah, we are going to do it, and I'm going to do it all from the Dollar Tree, maybe some Walmart, because I haven't seen really what's available yet. At the Dollar Tree, I kind of have an idea, but I kind of want to keep this under 20 bucks. So let's see if we can do something like what I'm thinking from the Dollar Tree for under 20 bucks here on this kitchen island. So if you want to see this video, stay tuned. Hey guys, just got back from the Dollar Tree, and these are a few of the items that I got all for under 20 bucks. So like I said earlier, I wanted to kind of stay under 20 bucks to see if I could do this. Obviously, there's some items that I do have that I bought previously that I'll be using for this, but for the sole purpose, the bulk of it was less than $20. It was $19.66 to be exact. But you can take and choose what you want to do and how you want to do it. But I'm just going to be putting some different things together. So here are some of the items that I got in order to create this seasonal hot cocoa station that's going to go right here on this part of my kitchen counter. So for starters, I bought these cute little travel salad dressing containers, and I got them with the red lid because they had different colors, but I thought red would be perfect for the hot cocoa theme and Christmas theme. And then I'm going to get labels at some point and print out some labels that say what it is. So one of them is going to be chocolate and one of them is going to be caramel. That way you could just grab those and dress up your coffee or your hot cocoa or whatever you're eating that you want to dress up. I also got this cute little Santa kind of tin. I think I'm going to put the hot cocoa mixes in here, like the little packets along with the apple cider, just to grab it quickly. They had these really cute candy cane spoons in the peppermint flavor, and how cute are those? For $1, and there's 6 of them each. So I got 2 packs so that I could just have them sitting. They're individually wrapped inside too, so I could take them out of the package and then put them in some sort of mug or something to sit on the counter. I got some more peppermint sticks to go, also in your hot cocoa or just to grab and snack. And I got some marshmallows that we could put in one of the containers. I got these cute little lollipops for the kids to enjoy. I got this little sugar shaker, and I found this too at the Dollar Tree. It's cinnamon sugar, so I thought that would be really good even on your coffee or pretty much anything you could put that on. So I'm just going to put this and this, and so it's cute. And again, I'm going to get little labels printed out and put on there to say what it is. And I got these little gingerbread cookie jar, also from the Dollar Tree, along with these the ginger snap cookies that I'm going to put in there. I'm just going to arrange them really nicely so they can sit on the counter too. I got some peppermint bark just to have. Also, you know, you can come here and make s'mores if we want to. We have a fire pit outside. If that's something you want to do. You could also incorporate like a s'more and hot cocoa bar together. I got these straws because I thought these straws look like candy canes, so I'm gonna just put out the red and the white ones for the decorative purposes, but also to use. And then I picked up these jars as well so that I can put some of the candies and the marshmallows in here. And then I'm also gonna put these chocolate chips so the kids can just grab them, or you can grab them, just drop them into your hot cocoa. So the whole theme and idea is just to kind of create your own hot cocoa and what you want in it. So I'm just gonna have all the options laid out here. So it's just really a fun, cute little holiday thing. And then some of the stuff that I didn't get at the Dollar Tree, but you could find there because I did see they had these cute little mugs just like this, but I already had a couple. So I just went with the ones that I already had, but you can pick them up at the Dollar Tree as well. This is really cute. This goes with that. I've gotten over the years, but I think I'm just going to put some of the candy canes in here probably, since that kind of goes with it. And then I got the hot cocoa mix. So I'm just going to take a couple packets out. So yeah, all in all, this is my setup that I'm going to use, and let's get creative. And there you have it. Our little kitchen, little hot cocoa station is set up for the holidays to enjoy. I have the little spoons here for the peppermint spoons with the little lollipops for the kids to grab. I put the the candy cane chewies in each one, and then I put marshmallows and then chocolate chips, because who doesn't like chocolate chips? And then I just grabbed one of the mugs that I had and I put the straws in there. I did the ginger snap cookies with the peppermint bark, and then this little guy I got from a client several years ago as a Christmas present, and it's always held little tiny candy canes, so I just left that alone and just added to it. And then over here, I just put a little bit of the apple cider mixes and the hot cocoa pouches in the cute little Santa tin that I also got from the Dollar Tree. And then I just added some sprinkles that I've had from cookies for decorating cookies. I did not get this at the Dollar Tree, but you can get it at your local grocery store, something similar like that. Or you could put a whole display together, a little sprinkles in like little jars if you felt like it. Get really creative with it. And then I just put the cinnamon sugar shaker back here, and then I won't keep these out, but you know, when we're having a party or we're having a s'mores night, you can just pop them out of the fridge and put them out there. If you're having a party, you can just have them when it's chocolate, when it's caramel. And yeah, there you have it. So all for less than $20 from the Dollar Tree. You can make your own little hot cocoa station. You can make some little labels to put on the glass jars and on the cinnamon shakers. But other than that, I think it's good to go and ready for the holidays. So if you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe and like for more videos like this. Stay tuned. Have a great night. Bye.
Oh.